Okay, so what we got here is a Lexus IS300H hybrid 2017, now installed with the StarLine M66 security system. So if a thief were to copy or clone your key and they get in the vehicle, because they don't have the StarLine tag with them, you can see it will not say ready to drive because it's a hybrid, and obviously the engine will not turn over and will not turn on. What's going to happen is the system's going to call you as well.
Alarm in alarm system mode. Ignition is on.
Let you know the ignition's been turned on and someone's trying to start the vehicle. Obviously they will not be able to because they don't have the StarLine tag. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring the StarLine tag with me. Okay, so now I got the StarLine tag with me. I have disarmed the system. It comes with a smartphone up there. I'll go to that afterwards. And now I'm able to turn the vehicle on. As you can see at the corner it says ready, and also the engine will tick over as well. So the smartphone app the system comes with gives you full tracking control, so you can track the vehicle. You can remote immobilize it. You can also turn the system off for service mode as well. If you want this installed on yours, give us a call on 028 554 5554. Come visit our Cars and Security Info Gansel IG2 628. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, guys.